Welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's write a program. So based on the age, it will find out the person's age group. Okay. So before that, what is a age group? Age group is nothing but if a person is between a specific range, so that person belongs to a specific age group. Okay. So what do you mean by a specific age group? If the age is between 1 to 12, they are called as children, right? So if the age is 12 to 19, they are called as teenagers. If the age is 19 to 29, they are called as young adults. So if the age is between 29 to 64, adult, and age is greater than or equals to 65, they are called as senior adults, seniors. Okay, so what are the operators in order to find out age groups? It's less than and also less than or equal to. Okay, so let us take an age is equals to 40. So what would be the condition? So what condition we have to write in order to find out? Okay, so if the age is between 29 to 64, then it's an adult. So the person who is having the age is 40, he or she is an adult. Okay, he or she is an adult. Okay, so now let's write a program. So let's take a variable name age is equals to, let's take the int data type input. So let's say enter your age. Okay, so now let's write the conditions. So if 1 less than or equals to age less than or equal to 12, then what do I have to print? Print as a child. Okay, then I wanted to say that person is a child. So what if for the next condition elif, right? So if the age is between 12 to 19, then I wanted to print that the particular person is a teenager. He or she is a teenager. Okay, so let's just copy this and paste. Now, if the age is between 19 to 29, then I wanted to print young adult. Okay, and if the age is between 29 to 64, then I wanted to print adult. So now for last condition is else I wanted to print senior. Okay, so that's it guys. Let's just run this program and give the input. Let me give 40 and enter. So it is adult, right? So let me just okay. Now let me just give 10 years child. Okay, so this is how you write the program where you can find out the person's age group based on his current age. Okay, so that's all about the program guys. For more such programmatic based videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And thank you so much guys.